So if you're getting started and you're not a designer, you don't know how to code, you're trying to figure out, how do I build my website? What tools do I need? The number one thing you need to do is to use a page builder. And I'm going to show you some of my favorite page builders here. Now, there's quite a few out there, but I'm going to give you just a few. So they have been around for such a long time. They have what's called the SP Page Builder. The SP Page Builder 4 just came out. Now, this allows anyone to be able to use what's called a drag and drop to build a website. So let's take a look here. Let's try it. And I just want to demonstrate for you how you can build a website. Okay. So again, you go to joomshaper.com and you can utilize any one of their page builders. So in essence, when you want to build a website, right, you want to have the flexibility and the control to be able to control just about every part of the page. So with Page Builder, SP Page Builder, it gives you the ability for you to do that. Now, I'm going to have an extensive tutorial that shows you how to build from scratch, how to use templates. But for now, I just want to show you that you don't have to start from scratch. You don't have to build your website from scratch, because they have tools here that you can be able to utilize. They have layouts. So what you're looking at, you can be able to drag and drop any elements on the page here. So look at this right here. So everything that you see, you have the ability to resize. You can drag things from one section to the next. You can move something all over the page. You can delete. You click this. Now, I know I'm going a little bit fast, but this is meant to give you a crash course. So I mention this because I get so many people that say, Matthew, I'm not a web designer. I don't know how to design a website. I don't even know where to start. So when you get something like SP Page Builder, it allows you to just use the different layout options they have. So let's say you want to build a website. You want to build an agency. You don't have the pictures. You don't even know what style, what layouts to use. Well, with something like this, you can click on the layouts option here and you can choose a pre-made template. I'm going to be doing an extensive tutorial on SP Page Builder, Helix Framework, and other frameworks because this is going to help you. So you want to build an agency or you want to launch a website. You don't have to build it from scratch. Listen, the bottom line is this. If you want to build a quality website, you need to hire a designer that is it's very costly. It's very costly to get a quality web designer. Sometimes you see people that, yeah, they'll charge you like, $10 an hour, $11 an hour, but then you realize that the quality of their work is it's not working for you. And the reason I got into web design, honestly, I used to hire people to do websites for me, right? And even though I did Joomla, I was like, I didn't have the time. So I let people hire people, and I realized that the quality of what they were doing was so bad. I was so frustrated. And reaching the people, sometimes I would hire someone on one of the freelancing websites. They would work, and if I had problems, I couldn't get in contact with the person. I couldn't hear nothing back. And so many times I lost so many clients because of that. I lost so much, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars, because I would hire people to do something for me and they would start and I never hear from them again. So you can eliminate that. If you're watching this, you're saying, you know what, maybe you have a small team. You don't need to have a large team. One of the things that I do is I train small teams or large teams. So if you want to learn from the start to finish, I train small teams. If you can do your own websites in-house, trust me, it is going to save you so much time and so much money. So let's take this for example. So let's say you want to use this design, right? You can actually import. Let me go back to the layouts here. They give you so many different options. You can choose what you want a business. Do you want travel and lifestyle? It's going to change based on that. Do you want marketing? So you can choose the style that you're going for, and you can use this as a basis for your website. So if you don't know the style, the design, if you don't even know where to start, they have already done that job for you. So you choose one of these here. You choose anyone that looks good to you, right? Again, you're not coding anything. if you wanted to hire a quality designer to do something like this for you, they would charge you several $100s just to do the homepage. Now, a good designer like myself, who's been in business for a while, you're looking a few thousands to be able to get it. So let's say you want to go with this one. You can click to import, and this is going to import that design that you chose. You can be able to, with just one click, you can import a layout that works for your business, and you can change anything on the page.